Here's the main event. Cam's on the motor scooter. We do laps around this little thing right here. And I get a lap head start and Cam has to try to pass me. It's a 5-lap race. Okay, ready? Go. He's got to wait till I pass. 5-lap race, yeah. 5-lap race. Oh, I know. Ready? Set, go. Yeah, come here. No, Cam, come back. I'm still beating him by a lap. Still beating him. No, he's kidding. Never shall he pass. Hey, no kicking. Stand back, man. Cheater! You wrecked me. No, you're not. I'm ahead by 2 laps. I'm ahead by 2 laps. Yeah, freaking Cam. Come here, Cam. Yeah, he's in here. Okay.